Hi everybody, today is day 33 of my 30-30 challenge, which I should probably change that because I've already exceeded the 30 days. But I'm going for 66 because according to The One Thing, the book that was written by Gary Keller, the founder of Keller Williams, it takes 66 days to create a habit. So I'm going for at least 66. And I am so thankful to the group that came in over the weekend because I have lots of content. I mean, I'm going to be answering questions for quite a while. And these are super questions. The question for the day is, how do I establish personal credit in the Dominican Republic as a foreigner? Well, that is very easy. We had a meeting with a bank today, Banco Santa Cruz, and they gave us information on how to do that. Now, as a disclaimer, the information could change at any time. Obviously, banks have different promotions and plans and this is and that. But if you'd like to establish personal credit in the Dominican Republic, you can get a secured loan with the bank. So what does that mean? That means you put money with the bank, you basically freeze the money with the bank, or what they say is pone dinero en garantía, and then you can come back and borrow up to 80% of that amount and then start making payments. So they look for you to make a commitment for at least about a year. So for a year, you will be making payments on the loan that you have secured with the bank to establish your personal credit in the Dominican Republic. Now, I just want to say that I have already done a video about financing, one of my earlier videos in the series, and I talked about how to get a loan with the bank in the Dominican Republic. And that is possible without having local credit because they use your credit history based on the credit bureaus in the United States. And they really look for you to be responsible about your payments and have a pretty good credit rating and this and that to get a loan or financing here in the Dominican Republic. So today's question is a little bit different because it is how to establish personal credit in the Dominican Republic, and the way that you can do that is by getting a secured loan. Now, keep in mind that you're going to be paying interest on that amount, and there's really no minimum amount, but you don't want to come and deposit $100 at the bank. I mean, you don't want to do that. So you do want to come and think about how much you would like to deposit and basically freeze with the bank to establish a good credit history, and they look for you again to keep your funds there for at least a year and pay down on that loan for a year with an interest rate of roughly like maybe 5-7%. It could change. We're not putting that in writing. You know, the rates at the banks do change, but that's generally more or less the rate. And if you watch this video a year from now, just call the bank and ask them what the interest rate is for a personally secured loan with them. But yes, it is possible to establish personal credit in the Dominican Republic if you don't have any credit, and it's basically by securing a loan. And I do have other credit, line of credit, and company questions that I will answer in future videos to keep the trend going with banking and financing, how to get established here if you're interested in doing business long-term in the Dominican Republic. So I will see you tomorrow with another video.